Good morning everyone and welcome to our virtual netball competition, which is part of the SPA Lancashire School Games Stay at Home Heroes programme. Today we are going to do a drive in netball, which is a fast sprint for the ball. Now all you will need is a ball or a balloon, okay, and this will make it easier or harder. You have to stand in one position and you have to tap the ball or the balloon in the air and you have to run to various obstacles around your area. Now, you will have 60 seconds to see how many times you can tap and touch your ball or balloon in your area, touching all your obstacles. Now, we can make this challenge easier, harder or more inclusive. We can make it harder by putting the obstacles further apart or adding more obstacles. We can make this easier where we can put the obstacles a lot closer to each other and use a balloon because that will float longer in the air. And we can make it inclusive by trying it seated and have obstacles reaching a distance away. So I'm going to be showing you some different examples of how we can do that. So let's give it a go. So first I'm going to show you the easy version by using a balloon, which will float a little bit longer in the air to make you have a bit more time to get back to the centre of your area. One, two, three. It's a little bit windy today, so maybe if you've got some space indoors, this will be an easier challenge. If not, we can try with the ball. So let's try it with the ball, which would be a little bit harder. Let's give it a go. Now, as you can see, it's a little bit more harder when you've got a ball because the speed of the ball comes down a lot quicker. So you can give yourself a little time by letting it bounce once, catching the ball, throwing up in the air, move to your obstacle, let it bounce, catch the ball. There are many ways to make this challenge a little bit easier. So I'm still going to use the ball, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to limit the obstacles. So before I had 4, now I'm going to have 2. I'm going to put 1 on my right side, 1 on my left side, and I'm going to make this challenge a little bit more easy because they're a little bit closer together. So I'm still keeping it quite hard because I've got the ball, which is obviously going to come down a little bit faster than a balloon, but I've just made the obstacles a little bit closer together just to give me a chance maybe to not let the ball bounce, but let's give it a go. So that's a little bit more easier. Make your obstacles, reduce your obstacles, or use a balloon, which again will be a lot easier for you. So I'm going to show you the inclusive version of how to do this seated. So again, we're going to start off easy with a balloon. I've got 2 targets within reaching distance, so let's give this one a go. So I've got 1 target here, and I've got 1 target here, so they're both within reaching distance. Let's give it a go. 60 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if it is too easy, all you need to do is move the obstacles a little bit further away. So I can just move this one just a little bit further away and try again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, so I've gone from the balloon to the ball, which will be a little bit more difficult. Still inclusive, we're just sitting down and we have our 2 targets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So remember, you've got 60 seconds to do as many as you can. So give this netball competition a challenge. You have until Monday the 15th of June to get your entries in. Send it to the WhatsApp number on the poster, and we look forward to seeing your challenges. Now, try your best, have fun, and give it a go.